In the landmark case of M.S. Siddhachalam Exports Pvt. Limited versus Commissioner of Central Excise, the Supreme Court of India addressed critical issues surrounding the misdeclaration of export goods value and duty drawback claims under Indian customs law. The case involved allegations that Siddhachalam Exports had overvalued goods to claim undue duty drawbacks worth 49,75,536 rupees. Customs authorities argued that the goods were of poor quality and their market value was significantly lower than the declared free on board (FOB) value. The Supreme Court emphasized the importance of following the legal procedures outlined in Section 14(1) of the Customs Act, 1962, and the Customs Valuation Rules, 1988, for determining the value of export goods. The court ruled that the initial burden of proving misdeclaration lies with the revenue and that market enquiry should only be conducted as a last resort when data on contemporaneous exports of identical goods is unavailable. The court set aside the orders of the Commissioner and the Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, CESTAT, remitting the matter back to the adjudicating authority for fresh consideration. The judgment also cited precedents such as Om Prakash Bhatia versus Commissioner of Customs, Delhi, 2003, 6 SCC 161 and Commissioner of Customs, Gen, Mumbai versus Abdullah Koilod JT 2010, 12, SC 267, reinforcing the legal framework for determining export value and addressing prohibited goods. This case serves as a crucial reminder for exporters and customs authorities to adhere strictly to legal procedures, ensuring transparency and accountability in international trade practices. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.